In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can loop YouTube videos on mobile. So I have a song playing right now and there's no actual way to loop this video with a button underneath the video. You just have the like, the dislike, the share and the save. And if I go to the end of the song and just let it finish, you can see that the song is ending right now and then it just ends. So I need to be able to loop the song. So what I need to do is long hold on the save button underneath this video. And then you have a couple of options. The option that I need to select is new playlist. So for this example, I'm just going to call it favorite. And then I'm going to go ahead and create this playlist. So I have one song in this playlist and you want to leave it with just this one song in. Now this obviously isn't the best hack for looping songs, but it does work. So now I can go ahead and go to that playlist by going to library and then going to that playlist and then tapping on the song. Now I just need to wait for this ad to finish, skip the ad, and the song will be playing again. Now you can see the favorite playlist has been created, and if I tap on that arrow at the right hand side of the name of the playlist, now you have two options underneath that video. There's those two arrows and that is the loop button. So if I go ahead and make that blue, you can see if I go to the end of the song now and I'll just wait for the song to finish, you'll see that the song just continues to play again in a loop. So that is how you loop YouTube videos on mobile. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.